Moyo, Obongi ne Yumbe ze zimu ku disitulikiti ezirimu ababundabunda abasinga obungi mu kitundu eky'amambuka ga Uganda. Ababundabunda bano abasinga badduka mu ggwanga erya South Sudan olw'entalo ezigenda mu maaso era ne basenzebwa mu nkambi ey'Ebidibidi esangibwa e Yumbe. Ebimu ku bintu ebisoomooza abakulembeze n'abatuuze b'eno mwe muli okusuumuusa tawuni eno ey'e Moyo okutuuka ku municipality status, okuzimba akatale ak'omulembe wamu n'okuteeka olutindo ku mugga ogwa Nile okusobozesa okutumbula ebyentambula wakati wa disitulikiti ey'e Moyo ne disitulikiti ey'e Adjuman.
We want to see the long-awaited bridge, the bridge across Laropi. This has been the dream for the people of this region. We've been talking about it for many years, but as I speak, we are really happy that funds for this bridge has been committed through African Development Bank and
hosting refugees, and because of the presence of the refugees, all our social services have been brought down. For instance, they are using our hospitals, they are using the heavy trucks are using our roads, they are using our schools, and we don't have enough infrastructure for hosting all these refugees. So we are requesting affirmative action from the government. We are requesting for affirmative action so that our roads are restored, our hospitals are stocked, and also our schools are well equipped.
Eno akwatidde ekibiina kya NRM yoweri Museveni olwaleero gyakubye olukuŋŋaana lwe olwokusatu mu kitundu kino ekya West Nile ngawenja obululu.
By emphasizing ta amale ri NRM has been able to cause unity among Ugandans, more unity than before. That unity has brought stability in politics. Thirdly, that ideology of unity has enabled us to create a strong army. Because of that, a lot of rich people have been attracted from outside. Those rich people, when they come, they have helped us solve the problem of shortages. Of course, we are budgeting for the roads. The country can continue growing economically, more factories, more hotels, more companies.
People of Obongi, Moyo and Adjuman, you will not be having rallies, but you go to your villages and go door to door, person to person, dogola ki dogola.
Luno lwe lukuŋŋaana lwa Museveni olusembye mu kitundu kino ekya West Nile era nga ku lunaku olwa bbalaza wakwolekera ebitundu ebyakyoli ng'ayongera okuwenja akalulu. Habadzi wa NTV ku ssaawa emu.
I request that you do not touch